In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails in HubSpot step by step, even if you're a beginner. This is perfect for email marketing, newsletters, and announcements to multiple contacts at once. First, log in to your HubSpot account and go to the top menu. Click on Marketing, then select Email. Now click on Create Email. Choose the type of email you want to send. For bulk emails, select Regular Email. Next, choose a template or start with a blank email. You can now edit your email content, add your subject line, and customize the design using HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor. Once your email is ready, click Next to choose who will receive your email. Here, you can select an existing list of contacts or create a new list based on filters like contact properties, form submissions, or activity. After selecting your recipients, review your email settings, including the sender name and reply to email. You can also schedule your email to be sent later or send it immediately. Before sending, use the preview and test options to make sure everything looks good on desktop and mobile. Finally, click Send or Schedule, and your bulk email will be sent to all selected contacts. That's it. You've successfully sent bulk emails using HubSpot. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, and check the links in the description. See you in the next one.